You too. What's the word, man? What's the word, ski? I told y'all I'm back and I'm better. These videos coming back to back, and you see what I'm on. I'm finna give y'all a realistic day of what I do in the day. And this is what I'm starting my day off with. Well, this is not what I'm starting my day off with. I ate breakfast already. I ate eggs, toast, cottage cheese, with some cucumber on top, and brushed my teeth and did all the good stuff that you in the morning, made the bed, you feel me? Took the dog out. And I'm on the game for a little before I go to the gym. I don't got work today. Oh, I work later. So I'm gonna go to the gym, gonna do some business stuff. I'm excited, man. My package come, my sample come, man. I've been waiting a month for this. A whole month. I've been waiting a month for my sample, which is crazy. They messed up and had to redo it. So now it's finally coming today. So I'm gonna do that. And then I gotta take some 3 t-shirt blanks and take that to my manufacturer here. Explain to him what I want and do that. Oh my gosh, bro. Ah! Finally done with the game. Got that call, man. Got that call that my package here. No games. Have to get off the game and go grab this, right? Wait for this. Let's do it. You know it's crazy, bro. This clothing stuff, man. People make it seem easier than what it is, bro. It's real hard, bro. If you want to do it long term, you're just not supposed to. You don't just want to get into clothing just to drop some. You know what I mean? Crazy clothing with like, you know, people be making clothing like Love Hurts clothing apparel or something like that. No shame against that, but like, you know, I'm trying to take this long term, get my clothing shop, get my clothing as like a luxury brand eventually, you know what I mean, where the whole was global, you know. So it was like the thinking process and the process of making this clothing and trying to get it out. It's obviously gonna be longer just because I gotta do a lot of brainstorming. There's a lot of work that goes into it. I just don't want to put anything out, you know. And then also the manufacturing, find the best manufacturer, and everything is overseas, so it takes 15 to 30 days for everything to come. So people been asking me, bro, when it's gonna drop? Just be patient with me. It's coming. And just know when I fully get it rolling, it ain't gonna stop, bro. It ain't gonna stop. I'm taking it all the way, and I can promise you all that. But enough of that. Let's get this sample. Let's see what they did for me. You know how my last sample was. I wasn't too, you know what I mean? It wasn't that crazy, but I liked it. So let's do it. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Getting this package, it's equivalent to getting, you know what I mean? It's equivalent to your birthday, or, you know what I mean? Kids feel like Christmas. So wait for this. That's what we got. This is what we got, man. First thoughts, off rip. I will say I went too big on the logo. So the logo is kind of out here, you feel me? That's the thing, bro. I'm so new at the thing. I gotta realize that I need to start giving out measurements. They ask for the measurements, but I don't be giving it just because I never knew like that was a important detail that you need to do. So the logo, too big. That's on me. Easy fix for the bulk order. But for the logo, I will do down here instead of having the U and the N all the way out. So cut it down to the chest to chest. Easy. Other than that, great material. Great after wash in my opinion. Feel me? Just after wash all the way across. Nice and heavy. Feel me? Still gonna rock it. Don't get it twisted. This thing is hard. Hard. You see the shorts to match. Shorts just as hard. Same thing. Uncommon threads. Screen print across here. Black. I will say though, they did do the shorts. They didn't ash wash the shorts on the back, so it's black. It's black on the back instead of gray, so it does kind of look a little mismatched, but not a problem. Easy fix again. Other than that, material great. Shit fire, I ain't gonna lie. Fire, gonna throw some fists on with that. You did. I can already, hold on, let me see. Just have to come show y'all this the fit. Just doing some shoes, just to check it out. You feel me? Hard stuff, easy, easy. Cool little fit. Here go the t-shirt. Again, firing, but logo a little too big. On this one, I didn't tell them to print it this big, but I guess that's just what they went with. But it's also, I fuck with it. Shit, this size or not, still hard in my opinion. This is a heavyweight, oversized tee, great material again. Real fire if you ask me, if I do say so myself. So next up, we got some content to make with this stuff. We're gonna do that later. I gotta go run to my other screen printer and get to the gym ski. So let's go do that, change right quick, and go do that, throw on some gym clothes. Let's get it. So overall for the clothing, I haven't decided if I'm gonna drop the crop zip ups anytime soon or if I was gonna drop them in late fall. That's fall is probably what I'm aiming for. Probably that color and then another color. For the t-shirt, I did just order bulk right away, so those gonna be in by the end of this month. And we're gonna get those dropped and ready for everybody ASAP. But I'm really excited for the crop hoodies. I probably will make a pair of pants to match that and go from there. But all my designs pretty much be basic from here on out. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing anything crazy or anything like that. But design wise, but I want to do some more graphic tees and then some more basic tees, but that's pretty much it for that. I'm happy with what I got, and I'm ready to get this thing rolling and do another drop for y'all. So make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all comment, let me know if y'all like it. Turn on notifications on so y'all know when I drop a video. But y'all stay tuned for my next one, and y'all stay tuned for that drop. Yep.